Many countries are considering implementing age verification requirements to limit children's access to online content and applications. Australia, Brazil, the United Kingdom, and several US states already have these requirements in place, and the European Union is working to introduce a block-wide application that would require users to prove their age when accessing certain online platforms. As the EU was planning to deploy its age verification application in April 2026, white hat hackers shared in social media posts that they had already breached the app to gain access to the application's biometric images. In a post on X, security consultant Paul Moore wrote that the app goes to great lengths to protect the age verification data after collection. It does so pretty well. But the source image used to collect that data is written to disk without encryption and not deleted correctly. Meanwhile, private companies are rolling out age verification systems of their own. TikTok already scans public videos to confirm users' ages. Meta uses video selfie checks through third-party providers, and Google and YouTube rely on users' behavioral signals from their viewing history and account activity to infer someone's age. While imposing age verification processes might limit children's access to social media applications or pornographic material, these processes could also create significant privacy and security risks. These risks include requirements or incentives to use invasive age verification mechanisms without sufficient safeguards to limit secondary use, retention, and third-party sharing of that data. The broad collection of biometric data becomes a lucrative target for malicious actors. The deployment of data collection and retention practices that violate privacy regulations. Age verification processes could also limit certain individuals' ability to use online services, including people who do not have a driver's license or other national identity document, people with Asian, Black, Indigenous, and Southeast Asian backgrounds, who are sometimes misclassified as being under 18 because age verification algorithms do not work well for all people. Individuals with disabilities, such as people with physical facial differences that prevent liveness detection from working for them.